Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices and accounts. Pair your PS5 controller and confirm system firmware is current because the console enforces audio routing. Next, charge the Astro A40 base and headset to at least 50% so firmware transfers reliably. Connect the mix amp power and USB-C to the PS5. Make sure any Toslink or optical adapter is ready if your bundle uses one. Once done, you'll be ready to assign audio channels and continue to the detailed setup. You now configure audio routing. Set the mix amp switch to the PS5 or console position so it expects digital game/chat split. Plug the mix amp into the PS5 via USB-C and attach the optical or Toslink adapter if your model requires it. This ensures game audio reaches the mix amp. On the PS5, go to Settings, right arrow sound, right arrow microphone, and choose the Astro input. Then audio output, select USB headset, and adjust volume and 3.5 mm monitoring levels. Make sure chat mix and side tones suit your preference. Finish by testing audio and voice. Join a party or run a game with known sounds while you speak to confirm microphone pickup and game/chat separation. Use the mix amp game/chat knob and onboard EQ presets to dial clarity. Make small adjustments and listen again because small tweaks change perceived spatial cues. If anything fails, reseat every cable, confirm PS5 audio device selection, and power cycle the mix amp and console. This usually clears handshake issues. If problems persist, try a different USB port or factory reset the mix amp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.